Let's first dry roast the coconut to a golden brownish color, and then we will dry roast the other masalas and then grind it to a fine paste. In this dish mainly small onions are used, but I am going to use a large onion because I am not having a small onion at home. Tamarind I have soaked and removed the pulp out of it. Now the coconut has turned to a light brownish color. Now let's grind the masala. I am here taking coconut oil 4 to 5 teaspoons. In that I am going to add mustard seeds. Now I will be adding the onions and garlic. I have taken 4 to 5 pods of garlic. Now let's fry till light brownish color, and then we will be adding other masalas into it. Very famous dish in Kerala, so please do try this recipe. It's a very tasty recipe. Now I am adding chili powder according to your taste. You can add turmeric powder. Mix it. Now add the grinded masala. Mix it well. Now add the tamarind pulp and necessary salt I am adding. Now tamarind pulp I am adding. Now cook this for 10 to 15 minutes till the raw smell goes. Now yummy tasty Ulli theeyal is ready. So please do try this recipe and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.